Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear those. Friends, today's video is question number 2.48 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. In astronomical observations, signal observed from the distant stars are generally weak. If photon detector receives a total of 3.15 into 10 to the power minus 18 joule from the radiations of 600 nanometer, calculate the number of photons received by the detector. So friends, first of all, we'll collect the data. Here they are given total energy, we can mention it ET. Its value is 3.15 into 10 to the power minus 18 joule. So this is the amount of energy which is coming out from the star. Now, next thing they gave is wavelength lambda, denoted by lambda. Its value is given 600 nanometer. That we can write 600 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Now, these two things are given. They need to calculate the number of photons. So, let the total number of photons is equal to n. Okay. Now, one more thing that we knew is energy of one photon is equal to E, which is hc by lambda. We knew like this, hc by lambda. Now using these 2 points we will go and proceed. Now we knew that number of photons multiplied by energy of one photon is equal to total energy. We knew this thing. Total energy is equal to energy of one photon into the total number of photons. From here we can write n is equal to Et upon E. And if we substitute the value of E, Et upon hc by lambda, that we can write n is equal to Et into lambda will go up divided by h into c. Now we have a formula and we are going to substitute the values over here. Now here n is equal to Et value we knew 3.15 into 10 to the power minus 18 joule multiplied by lambda, it is 600 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter divided by h is a Planck's constant, value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second, and c is the speed of light, its value is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now start meter, meter cancel, per second cancel, joule and joule cancel. Now collect all the numerical value. 3.15 into 600 divided by 6.626 into 3. Now multiplied by 10 to the power minus 18 into 10 to the power minus 9 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 10 to the power 34. Now my 8 from the denominator side go up and become minus 8, and minus 34 will go up and become plus 34. Now we can cut easily 3, it become 200. We have 3.15 into 200 divided by 6.626 in nothing into 10 to the power. Now adjust the powers. 18 plus 9 plus 8. Now minus 18 minus 9 minus 8 all will be added, become minus 35. Minus 35 plus 34, it become minus 1. So power is 10 to the power minus 1. So if we remove this minus 1, what will happen? The decimal is sitting here. Suppose this decimal will jump one step left side. So now we have 3.15 into 20 upon 6.626. So after doing calculation, we'll get the value over here, which is 9.52 something. And because n is a number of photon, it can't be in decimals, it should be a whole number. So we can round off it to nearby, it is 10. Now value of n, it means number of photons are 10. Question is solved. Now here calculation is easy, formula is easy and basic formula. We need to only try on practicing how to do the calculation fast. So this is the tip of this question. So keep watching the video, like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Till then, thank you.